Now, as you can see here, I will explain how to fix the issue when the auto subtitles are not working in the application. First and foremost, you need to check your internet connection, as the auto subtitles simply won't function without it. These subtitles rely entirely on an active internet connection to work properly, so ensure your internet is on and stable before proceeding further. They only work with an active internet connection. Try turning on your internet connection. If that doesn't work, carefully restart your router or enable mobile data to see if it resolves the issue. If nothing else works, you can simply restart the trap itself, as you can see here for better results. If that still doesn't work, try logging out and then logging back into your account carefully. Sometimes you may encounter an authorization issue. As you can see here, try logging in using TikTok, Google, or your email. Any method can help resolve this problem effectively. If that still doesn't work, try downloading a VPN and checking your region settings, as you can see here. Subtitles may not be available in certain regions, as you can see here. They could be restricted by the server settings. Carefully. So go ahead and download your VPN, then carefully experiment with different countries to find the best connection. That's all for now. Thank you all for watching, and good luck to everyone.